Hi all, my name is Ratnakishore. Welcome to Kash YouTube channel. In this video, I will talk everything about input function in Python with various examples. Let's start the topic. Input is a built-in function in Python used to take input from the user. This function automatically converts the data entered by the user as a string. And this is the format of the input function, where we can observe the prompt as input argument. Here the prompt is a string that is displayed on the monitor after the execution of the input function. After displaying the prompt, the input function waits for the user entry. User has to press enter key after supplying the required input. Then that input is converted into a string by the input function. First we will see how to read a string. Here I am using a variable name. Now I am going to assign a string to the name variable that is returned by this input function. If I press enter, now the cursor is blinking. That means the input function is waiting for the user entry. Now I am entering Ramesh as a string. Then I am pressing enter. Now that Ramesh string is available with a variable name. Then if I observe the name variable, then I will get the Ramesh. Then I am going to get the type of that name variable, that is string. Now reading a string with some prompt. For that I am using the same name variable. And then I am using the input function with a prompt. Actually, prompt is a string that will be displayed on the monitor by the input statement to prompt the user to enter something. Then I am using a text, enter your name. Then I got the enter your name as a prompt on the monitor. Then I am entering a name Ramesh. I am pressing enter. Then if I observe the name variable, I got Ramesh as a string into it. Now I will show how you can read an integer from the user. Here also I am going to use the input function to get the input from the user. But the thing is, input function always returns a string. Then we need to convert that string into integer by using int built-in function in Python. Let me consider a variable age. And then I am using input function with some prompt. Then we need to enclose this entire input function in another function, that is int function. Now I am pressing enter. Then I got the prompt enter your age. Then I am entering 25 as the age. I am pressing enter. Then if I observe the age variable, I got 25. Then I am going to display the type of that age variable. Then that is integer. Now I want to read a floating point number from the user. Here also we need to take the help of input function, but the input function always returns a string. Then we need to convert that string into a floating point number. That can be done by using another built-in function in Python, that is float. Let me consider a variable CGPA. Then I am using input function with a prompt. Then we need to convert the string returned by this input function into floating point number. Then I am using this entire input function within a float function. Then if I press enter, then it is asking the CGPA. That is our prompt actually. Then I am entering the CGPA 7.6. I am pressing enter. Then that CGPA now loaded into the variable CGPA as floating point number. We will see the value present in the CGPA variable, that is 7.6 we got. Then if we observe the type of that CGPA variable, we will get a float. Now the CGPA is a float object. In this way we can use the input function to get different values from the user. So that's all guys, this is the end of this video. I will meet you with a new video soon. Bye.